Hello and bah humbug. Welcome to episode 3 of the Fatayer series. In this series we'll be making meat pies, spinach pies, cheese pies, and even barbecue pies. We'll also be making talemehs, Za'atar talemehs, and today we'll be making cheese talemehs. First thing you'll need is your talemeh dough. Instead of including the same footage in all 8 videos of this series, I'm just going to link that recipe in the description and the top right corner. So if you want to see how to make the dough itself, pause this video and go check out that recipe. While your dough is on its last stage of rising, grab a bowl and add 4 cups of shredded cheese. Any kind of cheese you like is fine. I just grabbed what I had in my fridge and I am using sharp cheddar, Monterey Jack, mozzarella, Colby Jack, and an Italian style blend which is mozzarella, provolone, parmesan, romano, fontina, and asiago. Now add 2 tablespoons of clarified butter and mix well. Using 3 fingers, lightly press your talemeh dough but not hard enough to smash them. Now take your cheese mixture and squeeze a little bit together and make them into little balls, placing them on your talemehs. Place your first tray on the bottom rack of your oven at 425 degrees for 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, transfer them to the top rack for another 6 minutes, and throw your other tray in on the bottom rack. After 6 more minutes, the top rack will be ready to pull out, and the bottom one will be ready to transfer to the top for another 6 minutes. After you pull them out, brush them 2 or 3 times with clarified butter. And that's how you make cheese talemehs. Very simple. Thanks for watching episode 3 of the Fatayer series. Join me next week where we'll be making meat pies. Thanks for watching, everyone. Goodbye, good night, and as always, bah humbug.